Welcome everyone. Today's lecture is all about defining your unique value proposition. This is one of the most important tools in your business arsenal. A well-crafted UVP sets you apart from your competitors and tells your customers why they should choose you over anyone else. It's the foundation of your marketing message and can make or break your business in a competitive market. So how do you create a UVP that's compelling and impactful? Well, that's what we will learn together today. This lecture is designed to let you understand what a UVP is and why it's critical for business success. Learn how to craft a UVP that clearly communicates the unique benefits your business offers. Explore real-world examples of successful UVPs and analyze how they contributed to business growth. A UVP is a clear statement that explains how your product or service solves your competitor's problem or improves their situation. It highlights the specific benefits that make your offering unique and communicates why you are better than your competitors. Think of it as the essence of what makes your business special. A strong UVP should clearly communicate the benefit customers will get from your product or service. Differentiate your business from competitors. Be concise and easy to understand. Resonate with your target audience. Without a compelling UVP, it becomes difficult to stand out in a crowded market. Customers need to know why they should choose your product over all other options available. Start by identifying what your product or service offers. What problem does it solve? What specific benefits does it deliver to your customers? Focus on the value that customers will receive. Your UVP needs to speak directly to your target audience. It's important to understand your customer base deeply, their needs, desires, and pain points. The more specific you are about your target audience, the stronger your UVP will be. Here's the core of your UVP. What sets you apart from competitors? This is the unique aspect of your offering that competitors can't get anywhere else. It could be better quality, faster service, a unique feature, or even a more appealing brand experience. A strong UVP often includes some form of credibility to back it up. This could be a statistic, a guarantee, or customer testimonials that reinforce your claims. Credibility helps build trust and makes your UVP more compelling. Let's break down the steps for crafting your own UVP. Identify your customer's main problem. Think about the primary problem your product or service solves for your customers. This problem should be at the center of your UVP because your value is directly tied to how well you solve that problem. Slack identified that teams needed better ways to communicate and collaborate efficiently. Their UVP centers on solving the problem of inefficient communication by offering a platform that streamlines team collaboration. Highlight the key benefit you offer. Once you've identified the main problem, focus on the core benefit your product provides. This benefit should directly address the customer's problem in a way that is clear and compelling. Uber's original UVP was tap the app, get a ride. It was simple and focused on the main benefit, convenience. You don't have to hail a cab or wait. Just tap your phone and your ride is on its way. Differentiate from competition. What makes your solution better or different from others in the market? Think about your competitors and where they fall short. Then highlight how your product or service fills that gap. Dollar Shave Club differentiated itself by offering affordable razors delivered to your doorstep. With a humorous marketing approach, their UVP was clear. High quality razors delivered monthly for just a few dollars. Keep it clear and concise. Your UVP shouldn't be long-winded. Keep it short, memorable, and easy to understand. If customers can't grasp it quickly, it won't be effective. Apple's UVP for the iPhone is the experience is the product. This positions the iPhone as more than just a phone. It's about the seamless premium experience that Apple offers. Let's look at the story of Warby Parker, the eyewear company. Before Parker, buying glasses was expensive and inconvenient. The founders saw this as a gap in the market. Their UVP became buy glasses online, try them on at home, and save hundreds. They solved two big problems: cost and convenience. By offering stylish, affordable glasses with a home try-on program, they created a UVP that spoke directly to their customers' needs. As a result, they disrupted the eyewear industry and built a loyal customer base. Moral of the story? A UVP that clearly addresses customer pain points and offers a unique solution can help a business break through and succeed in a crowded market. Think of your UVP like a lighthouse in a stormy sea. Customers are overwhelmed with choices and options, much like sailors facing rough waters. Your UVP acts as a guiding light, showing them why your business is the right choice. It helps them navigate through all the noise and land safely with your brand. Identify a company that you admire and analyze their UVP. What problem do they solve? What makes them unique compared to their competitors? Write a brief analysis, about 300 to 400 words, explaining why you think their UVP is effective. I'm eager to hear your thoughts on today's lecture. Do you think your favorite brands have strong UVPs? What do you think makes a UVP compelling? Feel free to share your ideas and ask questions during our next session. That's all for today. Next time, we will move on to building a market entry strategy, where we will discuss how to enter new markets successfully. See you then.